Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed, but my friends call me Matt. So welcome to my channel, Matt Tutorials. I studied sustainable architecture and landscape design in Politecnico di Milano, so I live in Italy. Now I'm in Piacenza and I want to share what I know about all the architectural apps. I start my architectural design with Archicad because when I design plans, sections, and elevations, the program has the ability to export a 3D model. Then I import the 3D model to 3ds Max, and with the Vray engine, I design the textures, interior, lightings, and everything, and I can export a very good quality renders with 3ds Max and Vray. Then for some projects, I import renders or the original 3D model that I made with Vray and 3ds Max to Unreal Engine. Then in that program, I can walk through the project like a video game. So it gives the client a very good vision of the project because each client couldn't read the plans, couldn't understand the sections, and these visualizations and renders will help clients to understand the project much better. And now, after working more than 6 or 7 years with architectural firms, I decided to share my knowledge with you all. Also, I want to invite you to share your experience, your ideas, and the tools that you use in architecture with me and the other. My plan is to start with Archicad. I want to share everything that I know in Archicad, all the elements, all the tools that you can see in the program. And then we can go to the 3ds Max and making the models, working with 3ds Max tools, rendering with V-Ray, and then 3D Vista and Unreal Engine. So, if you're on board, please share this video with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you soon with the first lesson of Archicad.